Hey everybody. DeSoto County in the last couple years has been one of the fastest growing communities in the nation. My brother had the idea to send my drone up and just kind of capture the the progress of Church Road throughout the years. So we wanted to get what it was today, September 22nd, 2019. We started out in the west side of town in South Haven toward Tanger. Here we are driving down Church Road. I've sped this up quite a bit just because it was like a longer video, way longer than anybody would want to sit through and watch. But right now you're going past Chulahoma Road, and as you can tell, there's still a lot of land that can be developed on. In real estate right now, I'd say probably 60 to 70% of the houses on the market are new construction. Some newer neighborhoods that they've put up in the last couple of years right there on your right. Older homes, a lot of land right there on your left. You're coming up on Getwell Road. Pretty soon that's where you've got the Walgreens and the CVS here. Take the drone down for a second real quick to change out the battery and keep going here, so that's why I cut off. You got the gas station going in, you've got neighborhoods there on your left and your right. Up here on your left, they've just built this subdivision right there in the past 6 months, 9 months maybe, the Gardens of Bell Point. And now you're looking on your left, actually Bell Point. They've cleared off some of the land beside there right there. You're looking to your left now to start new developments. The mansions and everything are on your right of that high income subdivision. Driving down the road, you wouldn't even see that lake that's up there on your right. There's a small hill. You can't really tell from the aerial footage, but yeah, you can't even really see that from the road. You've got just fields and crops and stuff on your left. Coming up here, this intersection we're coming to is Pleasant Hill. That gas station is new within the past 5 years. Today, subdivision right there on your right. That's a slowly built subdivision. They've been building on that one for a little bit now. Still got some lots available in there. On your left, you'll have the rubbish pit, Olive Branch rubbish pit, and all of that land there to your left is completely undeveloped. I believe it may be owned by the city. I'm not really sure who owns all of that land, but it's completely undeveloped pretty much until you hit the soccer fields on the end of Church Road here. All this footage is shot in 4K on the DJI Mavic Air. This drone's got a top speed of about 40 miles an hour, and I am pushing it for all it's got. We take it down right here on Craft Road again to switch out to a third battery. And keep going this last stretch till you hit the end of Church Road. One of two neighborhoods on this side of Church Road. This one is a relatively newer neighborhood right there. Mature trees, they didn't completely just clear everything when they developed that neighborhood, so it's kind of nice. If you see that building over there to your left, the far corner, that's actually FedEx ground and some other warehouses, facilities. You can't see that from the road because of the tree line and everything. You'd never know it was back there unless you went down that road. So then you've got the second neighborhood there, which they completely just cleared off all the mature trees to build houses. The land on the left, the soccer fields, Olive Branch owns all of that clear land to the left before you get to the soccer fields as well. Another CVS and the end of Church Road. Once again, this is shot September 22nd, 2019. Thanks for watching, guys. But as a little extra, we had the GoPro running on the front of the vehicle doing our aerial footage. Did a little time lapse of Church Road. I wanted to throw this in there as well, so you could see just from the street view what Church Road looked like 2019. We stopped right here at the CVS to change out the batteries for the drone and kept going, so that's what we were doing there. You've got the Bell Point subdivision, and then you've got some newer developments going in on the right there before you get to Pleasant Hill. Neighborhoods they're building currently. The rubbish facility on your left. Behind that tree line on your right are some older developed neighborhoods. And then Craft Road. We stopped right here to change out the battery in the drone to finish up the aerial footage. And I'm going to keep going there. So there's only 2 neighborhoods currently on Church Road. That one that we just passed, and the one right here. And then you get to the soccer fields, and we're done.